Hey guys, this is Luigi, and today we are playing Luigi's Basics and Ghost Busting and Death Staring again. So, let's get started! I'm just kidding, guys! I'm just kidding, guys! It's Luigi's Basics and the Belief of Christmas! So let's play! I just pranked you guys! Well, anyways, let's get started. Let's play Luigi's Basics 5. There we are. We're in the game. Wait. Hold on. Hi, Luigi. Hi, Luigi. Oh, pretty nice. Always remember, Superintendent Chalmers. What? Did Superintendent Chalmers die? Oh no. Santa loves you, buddy. Oh, the music. Oh my god, the pad. This is amazing. Yippee, you actually got it. Nice Christmas hat, Luigi. Nice Christmas hat, Luigi. Nice Christmas hat, Luigi. Well, anyways. This is amazing. Well, looks like it's not good for you. Oh, Luigi is mad. Let's go. Well, anyways, who's the principal now? Hi, Luigi. Is Pen the principal? Pen is the principal! Oh, Waluigi with that Christmas hat. Hey, Pen. Pen is now the principal. Awesome. Hi, Luigi. 5, 7. Santa Claus will not like this. Oh! Gotta be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No! Oh, God. No, Luigi, no! Don't get me. Hi, Luigi. It's Pen.
What the fuck? It's an acronym.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just laughing. This is so funny. Never disrespect. Nope. That was funny. I'm just gonna be honest. Guys, that was the funniest thing. That was actually the funniest thing ever, guys. To be honest, it was. Luigi. Oh, Luigi's coming. Oh no, Waluigi. Okay, we're gonna use that soda on Luigi again. That was actually funny what happened with Pen.
We have to stick together now. Can't afford to lose anyone else. It's just me and me.
Oh my god. That was funny. What the frick? That was funny what Pen just said. I swear. Hey Pen. Hey Luigi. Oh, Luigi's coming. We need to buy a B soda. But now it's the L soda. Oh, Luigi! No! Don't kill me, Luigi! No, Pen, go!
What the fuck?
Come on! Come on! Luigi, you seriously had to do this! Now Pen is gonna catch me! Come on, Luigi! Now I'm gonna get 30 seconds of detention. No, come on. No, come on. Luigi, you were blocking my view. I need to know where Pen was.
It's an acronym.
Oh, come on. I'm gonna be in the corner. No, no, Luigi. Never mind. Well, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.